my goodness!
Mummy, are we nearly at the petting farm? I can't wait to meet the guinea pigs.
Yes, Peppa. Grandpa Pig should be waiting for us outside. But remember, we are going to help Grandpa Pig get the farm ready for the animals first.
That's right! Peppa, let's help carry this bag of seeds for the animals' breakfast. Yes! Let's go! This sure is a heavy breakfast. Oh, thank you for your help bringing the animals food here, everybody. However, the truth is, the heavy rain last night has made the petting farm very muddy. A little too muddy. Where are all of the animals?
They cannot come out until the farm has been cleaned, Rebecca. Otherwise, they will get too muddy for petting.
Oh no! How can we help, Grandpa?
Well, I'll show you, but it'll be very messy.
Whoa!
Yippee!
Amazing work, everyone. Thank you.
But Grandpa, there's still that big pile of mud. We still have time to clean it up, don't we, Mr. Pig?
Ho ho, we should do, as long as the as long as the animals don't come back just yet.
Ah.
Oh no, the guinea pig will get too muddy for petting at this rate.
Wait, Mr. Guinea Pig, please slow down.
Peppa, George, Rebecca, are you okay?
Yes, we're okay. That cheeky little guinea pig is so cute.
He sure is. Oh my!
Silly Mummy, it's only chickens.
I suppose they are cute, aren't they, Peppa? Okay, everybody. The animals have safely been taken somewhere else whilst we finish cleaning this mud.
But how will we do that, Grandpa? It's everywhere.
We can use this. Great work, everyone. Thank you for your help. The animals are very happy with our work. Now, who would like to feed Mr. Guinea Pig and Mrs. Chicken?
Me!
Let's put the seeds over here in this trough, Mummy Pig. Then we can feed the animals. Oh, you're all very friendly.
I love the petting farm.